Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Wednesday, June 17th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for today. And let's see where the energies take us, guys. I'm not going to lie, I've got a massive headache today. Possibly going through another ascension. I've been very drained lately. But there's also been a lot of external things going on, obviously, you know, which is draining within itself. So it's almost like compounded, really. But I'm going to get this done for you guys quickly. Let's see what we got. Yeah, okay. I say a lot of us are dealing with some rejection at home. Like I'm getting not just home, but like family. And I know I've kind of mentioned this before about familial karma kind of coming up right now. A lot of us are dealing with rejection from parents. We're clearing a lot of karma with parents, possibly through children. Okay. Or even through, you know, people that we know, you know, where that energy is similar. There's like some sort of link between that person, and possibly a parent or a parental figure or something of that nature coming in. I feel like a lot of you are getting signs that this is in fact the case. Okay, a lot of you are paying attention to those signs right now, and you're being urged to do so. Okay, especially if you're asking for a sign, if you're asking for confirmation or anything like that, pay attention to the signs that you get. Okay, it's really, really prime time, I think, for those sorts of downloads to be coming through. Yeah, I mean, a lot of us are just in rejection mode right now, rejecting ourselves. Some of us, there's some things that we have not quite forgiven ourselves yet for, okay? And you have to forgive yourself before you can ask for forgiveness from others. It's just the way that it works, okay? Same with you have to forgive yourself before you can forgive someone else, okay? And that's, you know, I feel like a lot of us aren't facing that truth, aren't facing that reality. Well, I deserve an apology, or, you know, this person should apologize to me or should come to me for forgiveness. Well, okay, but what part did you play? Okay, we all play a part. Okay. And I know I've mentioned before, yes, you can be a victim. Absolutely, you can be. Yes. But there's still something, okay, that is coming up, I do feel, for a lot of us that we need to forgive ourselves for. And it does have to do with parents, I do feel. Okay. Some of it could be resentment. It could be whatever. Okay. And this, I feel, is the major third party that's coming in here. And I do feel it's very emotionally tied. There's a lot of emotion to whatever this is that's coming up here that's making us feel, you know, defeated, you know, and that's what we're being urged to do right now, is to release that feeling, to forgive oneself, that you can come out of that defeated mode, okay, and that you can finally acknowledge your feelings, finally acknowledge that you forgive this person and that you forgive yourself. And once you do that, it's going to free you, okay? It's going to free you, literally, just free you, okay? Because a lot of us hold ourselves hostage in this resentment. You do. You hold yourselves hostage and you just keep repeating that cycle over and over again, okay? So some of you, yes, some of you may need to step out of your comfort zone. Some of you may need to apologize first. That other person may be waiting for you to apologize. Maybe that other person feels like you did something wrong. Do you see? It goes both ways, okay? It's never just one-sided, ever, okay? But just know that no matter what happens, it's going to be fine. Your loved ones, you, everybody, everything's going to be fine. And this came up yesterday too. Believe in the impossible, okay? Nothing is impossible, okay? But when you open your mind that everything is possible, it's a lot easier. It's a lot easier to accept the things that are coming. It's also easier to accept the signs that you're getting from Source, okay? But just take some time to breathe out. Some of you have been super, super stressed, and I know it's a very stressful time, okay? But sometimes you just need to take a moment, you know, do some meditation, do some breathing exercises, get yourself back to square, get yourself grounded, okay? And then you can find the clarity that you're looking for, okay? All right, guys. Well, I hope this helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.